Time is a precious commodity for all of us, and one of the biggest challenges we have today is to try and give ourselves time to do what we need to during the day. Usually, with all of the distractions in our lives and circumstances, we find as the day progresses, we're struggling to do what we intended. Therefore, in this video, we look at 5 smart habits that will save you time. Number 1. Plan and schedule. It seems obvious, yet very few actually do this as a method to best utilize their time, but planning and scheduling time is critical to getting what you need to do done. I'd suggest planning by writing a to-do list each week to help you plan your coming week's activities and understand what you need to achieve. From there, each evening schedule your time for tasks in the coming day, trying to plan out what you want to do and achieve during the day. As Jordan Peterson has famously said in the past, try to imagine the day to be the ideal or absolute best day you can have and try to follow through with it, making it a reality. Number 2. Group activities. A real time saver in all aspects of life is to learn to group or batch tasks together to deal with them in one go rather than separately throughout the day or week. You can apply this at work or home, the amazing thing being that it's flexible and applicable in all aspects of life. For example, at work, if you create content for social media, group individual tasks such as writing scripts or recording videos all together, saving you time to get your head into it or set up. Likewise, if you have an appointment in town and have to get your weekly shopping done, group them together, avoiding the need for 2 trips. Number 3. Reduce online activity. Surely the biggest culprit to our supposed lack of time during the day in today's world, the internet has provided huge benefits but also incredible distractions. Therefore, try to reduce or schedule the amount of time you spend online, resisting urges to click from reading one useful article to moving on to another that's advertised. Likewise, reducing the time on social media and turning off notifications is a great way to reduce distractions in your life, giving you more time. This isn't to say stop using it altogether if you don't want to, just have control over the time you use it, not letting it control you. Number 4. Reduce decisions. During the day, we have a limited number of decisions we're able to make at our peak before our decision making starts to deteriorate as the day progresses. This can be frustrating, as it can also take up more mental energy and time to make sound and well thought out decisions. But what if you can reduce the number of less important decisions each day? Well, the amazing thing is, you can do it by using the batching method described earlier. For example, decide the week's meals in one day of the week, such as the day you do grocery shopping, so that you don't need to worry about what you'll make and eat every day. Number 5. Time yourself and review. The initial step of timing yourself isn't going to save time, but the information you get from doing so can have phenomenal benefits in your life. Simply put, time how long you spend on a given activity or task, which you can easily do today by downloading a time tracking app on your phone. Then once you've tracked time, see where you're losing time and understand how you can more efficiently use that time, so that you can make the necessary change. Soon enough, you'll find that you have significantly more time during the day. Have you got any further habits that can save time? Let me know in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe as we help you live life on your terms. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to ensure YouTube notifies you of the latest uploads. Thanks for watching.